Hello friends and welcome back to my channel. Myself Ashfaq, and in today's video I will show you how to create the N8N workflow to find out the top tweets. You can go to n8n.io and click on get started and sign up with your credentials. So I have already signed up for the n8n.io and I'm inside my account. I have actually signed up to the n8n.io with my Google credentials. So first of all, I will click on create workflow. So I need to first define, I need top tweet count of how many previous days. So I will click on add first step and I will introduce here edit field, mode manual mapping, add field, name I will give pages to scrap. So I want the top tweets from last 2 days. I will again add one more field. This would be actually a number, last 2 days, and here it would be a string, and value I will give agentic AI. I will go back to my canvas. So it would be executed when I click on execute workflow. I can also schedule it with the schedule trigger days 1, and I can set the timing whichever I want. I will save my workflow as top tweets. Okay, now we need to sort the output, and we need to assign the pages. We need the all the outputs in the pages. So we need to generate the page numbers. For that I will introduce a code option. This code is available in the description section. If I click on execute step, so the total pages for one day it is creating one page, so total 2 pages it is creating because we have selected the 2 days top tweets. Now we need to process each output as an individual item. So I will introduce here the loop over, which will actually process each item individually. Delete this loop as of now. I will save my workflow. Okay, now we need to find out the top tweets. For that I will go to twitterapi.io. You can register or sign up on this website with your credentials. I have signed up to this website with my Google credentials. I will go to my dashboard. I will copy my API key Now I will go to docs.twitterapi.io. We want to use the advanced search option of the Twitter. I will click on try it. Here I will paste my API key and query type I will give here agentic AI. I need the top tweets. I will copy the CURL from here. I will go to my workflow and I will introduce here the HTTPS request. I will select here the get method. I will click on import CURL and I will paste the content import, so it will fill the all details. I will click on execute step. So we have the output here. This is first output. This is second output. Likewise, I will click on execute workflow. If I go to my HTTP request, actually this query would be dynamic because we will change the keyword every time. So in previous execution we are not getting the query name. So I will go to canvas and I will go to edit field. Here actually we have given the keyword but we haven't defined it. So I will give the name search term. I will click on execute step. I will save it. I will execute workflow. I will go to my HTTP request. And now we have the search term. So I will remove this keyword value because this would be a dynamic, and I will drag the search term here. I will save my workflow. Now we had the multiple outputs, but now it is showing us only one output. So we need to split our each output to the individual item. So for that I will again introduce a code. I will paste the code here. This code would be available in the description section. I will click on execute step. So we are getting the output. I will save it. Now we need to, so it has processed the all individual item, total 18 items it has. Now we need to sort the all items in the ascending order. So I will introduce here sort simple, and I will add the field. So we want to sort our output on the view count. So this is the view count. I will drag the field here and I need the descending order. Okay, now I need to enter all these output entries to my Google Sheet. If I go to my Google Sheet, sheets.google.com, so this is the sheet I have created. The name I have given the tweet, and these are the columns I have created. I will go to my workflow. I will select the sheets, Google Sheets. So I want the all output to be entered in my sheet. So I will select this option, append row in sheet. So credentials, I will click on create new credentials. I will select sign in with Google. I will select my email ID, continue. I will close it. So it is showing the Google Sheet account, sheet within the document, append row, and I will select my sheet. So my sheet name is tweet. So this is my sheet which is having these columns, and on that spreadsheet I want to create the entries in the sheet 1. So these are the entries in my sheet. So from previous step I will drag all the options, URL, content, like count, retweet count, replies, quote count, view count, and the date. If I click on execute step, so it is getting executed successfully. I will go to my canvas, I will save it, and we had executed this append rows option. If I go to my sheet, so I'm having the entries in my sheet. So we'll test it once again. I will delete all the entries. I will go to my workflow and I will click on execute workflow. So it is executed successfully. If I go to my sheet, so I'm having the entries. So we will test it once again. I will delete all the entries. Now this time we'll change the keyword. On the edit field, I will, instead of agentic AI, I will give the DevOps, and I will execute my workflow. So if I go to my sheet, so I'm having the entries for the keyword DevOps. By this way, you can create the complete N8N workflow to find out the top tweets for any keyword, for the uh, last days count you can select, and it will do the entries in the Google Sheet. Hit the like button if you find this video helpful. Subscribe to my channel. I will see you in the next video. Thank you.